Hey, so you know, container gardening can have its challenges. I remember the other year I was growing my first real container garden. I had dabbled with growing things in containers before, but first time I really tried growing a container garden, and by the time the middle of the season came and as the season went on, my plants just really were not doing well. They were getting sickly, yellow, like you can see in some of these shots here, and I realized that they needed more nutrients, especially. And it was around that time that I found an awesome nutrient that I'm going to share with you in this video here. But what I want to show you is how you can rejuvenate your containers, because when you're growing in containers, as you water them, nutrients can be drained out through the container. So throughout the season, you'll want to be adding natural organic fertilizer to your container just to keep that nutrient level up for your plants. So I'm going to show you very simple steps of how to do this here with our tomato plants here, and these guys are looking great. So the first step that I'm going to do is we mulch our containers. It's a great way to help hold water in them. So I'm just going to take the mulch off here because you want to get down to the actual soil level, which is where we're going to add our fertilizer in. We call this side dressing your plants, and it's something that's great to do also if you notice that you are having pest problems, either pest or disease problems. It's really good to come in and side dress your plants with an extra boost of fertilizer. It can help kind of boost their immune system. Okay, so I've taken off the mulch here, and I'm going to be using this fertilizer called Down to Earth's Vegan Mix. It is really honestly one of the best fertilizers that we have used with containers. And in this container here, you know, it's a few gallons, and I'm putting a heaping third of a cup in around the plant. So you want to sprinkle it in around the plant. And then you want to take a little tool, or I'm just using a spoon here, and scratch it into your container, into the potting mix that you're growing your plant in. Just scratch it down into the first couple inches here like this. So this vegan mix is really good because it comes from all natural sources, derived from rock powders, soybean meal, kelp meal. It's all non-GMO and really does a great job for your plants. We've had awesome success, like I said, with it. Second thing that I'm going to do here is water the plant with, it's water, but it's called C90. We put a teaspoon of this product called C90, or this is Ocean's 92, but it's generally called C90, and it's ocean water mineral salt that has over 90 micronutrients that are just awesome for your plants. So you put a teaspoon of it in a gallon of water, and I'm going to go ahead and water our fertilizer in. If you don't have the C90, then you can just get your garden hose, but whatever you do, you want to water this fertilizer in after you've scratched it into the soil. Just water it in like this, and then let that go back down, and I'm going to put my mulch back on, and this really helps cut down the work when it comes to watering my plants. Don't have to water them as often because the mulch holds the moisture in. So there you go, very simple steps to rejuvenate the potting mix of your plants, to give them a boost of nutrients throughout the season. You'll probably want to do that about once a month, at the most every couple months, and your plants are gonna really thrive. Hey, if you haven't gotten it yet, make sure to jump over and grab our Ultimate Garden cheat sheet. It's got all kinds of cool information about how far apart to plant your plants, our favorite bed spacings, and all of that kind of stuff. And hey, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a little thumbs up below, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Hey, we'll catch you next time.